Hello, people. What from me, DJ Parker Rich, aka All Be Lie, and other fucking things. And some so the baby wa Ghana. And so, men who that Sammy Flex we posty video be lappy Gene or share. I heard him saying a whole lot of stuff, which I feel there. Or important message in our or puts in across. So he shouldn't beat about the bush. Darby. Prayer goes on the one the hammer about that for body straightforward, boom, non concussion. And I'll play the video. Now, Miria, za me pera me catcher Sam, and I'm also my catcher na Sebi, or the be out to need to me or your opinion, when you too much. In some or he should call a spade, hit him. As some hurricane, boy, I Safo Nyamian or a canasam. Safo Nyamio, a Safo Newman, a bacana. That's of the hurricane, and he can't be bigger than you. You experience that he be canasaba, body ziraka, everybody bakari here because all be lie. But Paco should say, yet say something okay.
That is why I feel I have to talk about this. If you are a young person in this industry, especially if God blesses you with a one-hit song, and you see everybody coming to you left, right, and center, don't see it as love. Oh. Don't see it as love. Or most of the people who are coming, they are coming like vultures. They've seen a carcass. They are coming to eat. You might think, oh, you are the one who is loved. Me, I have seen talents who were nobodies in this same studio. When they became big and everybody started going to them, I laughed because I knew, you see, you, when you were nobody, all these people wouldn't have given you any audience at all. They wouldn't have listened, they wouldn't have even sat with you. Even when you meet them and you try to confront them, they will tell you, oh, I'll see you later. But the moment they saw that something was happening around you, which was good, everybody ran to such people.
Okay, me fancy here. Now, first of all, say nimpa emmi me feel that Sammy Flex on the letter trauma boy in Safo Newman here. This is the boy. Yeah, young boy in a picture circulating on social media, Sakodi posting a bosha. But when I Thompson ko manada or she refu or chobi. Yes, it's all right so the me to say okay, Mission Impossible movie. That one I don't know. But no quarrel there catch a boy in a day. Nyakopona chana do machedi. Nen brass so do be shine. But a quina way semi code Mickey back at a highway on no do ye show, they do ye risky. In young one I was through na why you wine for. You see those people where they come, oh, they interview you, they fire vampires and it be fucking things that they do. Because ye nyum kofu bi wo ho awo krom ha. Chide as an eye shrine. Chide it's all a glamorous or say luxury before they will venture. Big ups to Sammy Flex. Waka wana wa on earth talents or krom ha. Sammy and to me in film. Sammy we producer we produce you underground pandits baby wo krom ha. Underground pandits baby wo krom ha why style or Sammy Flex. You know, introduce you onto the system and very well. A Tilekwe Pakam, Kobe Chekam, Kojoken Kam, just name them. You understand? He has every right to say, but any problem I mean, Sammy, when you're there, Sammy, I can't have Bozin. There is Safo Newman. Streets in a similar show. No fun to not dream on there, no, baby, on I'm way dangerous. Obia no basro. But you know what do brother. A basha boy be a man kind of wash you. In Tiami day, no, a bashama, I'm not really interested in a interview. A friend though, a pede park where you can say interviewer. I go do one. But part of my chest will be break crib. No, moon to me at the madden. Or chinebi abakada hype na oma unko for shamana and unko full of no. Mama, I'm fucking sense no be lying. I'm too much viral, I'm too much trend, and that is enough. But the only advice here is by my youngsters now will be me the whole system now won't kofubi or wha wants when you nyansa when you if in blow ya another attention one young son cannot be applied to you or they cannot support you. hits another man. Another any attention a man, nimpo boy not over limelight, so I catch them in or John or crossing when you may share. Na young church or label Sibia will to Wabo Mark when you, yeah, fine. But as I'm saying that, Safo Newman or whatever they call you, no. So be so Bob Boa, came in pouring one name on your ben. Monso win sim on your cock, baby a boko bian, fana count who day, pa. Ne chroma had him pet no dawson. There are people who are hungry to milk people who are on their way to success. And one day, Chada Wabakakobogalam say, wow, on earth talents and is it one ye be that. You understand? Into your someone. And you more when you boy and ask Sammy, pay me catch a spade is a spade on your big spoon. And let's be real. May I show that I'm at the question answer and then you go feel the vibe. Yes. We know them. Into Sammy, a bob one is not abu on the vultures in the industry, but one isn't. Someone, young who be brave, share. Damn it, nipa bi oye cobra, nipa bi oye cobra. What they care about in there? One monetization, also green. Dollar now, what's up by now to me? Number one day, 20,000, 30,000, 40,000 views in. They will come to you. It is not your talent they are after. It's about the numbers and the content and the views. It's about share me there, you may lie if you Madam lie, I caught a gigi. Yes. Madam lie, I caught a gigi. Sammy, ya bo chroma ha. Obi Jano, nobody knows you in the industry. Hey, Obi, you know me. But say you when you are my road and boy. Onyimishi, bois, meaning BBA, low key, wakum, you know. Until this year, and I'm a catch on in hand. Yeah, back. And I have to see him beat about the bush. Into Sammy, Safo Newman, fortunate man, or a brilliant, or a right on time, and you are in the position to give that advice. A word to a wise, and or you enough. By this time, and all that was a sham kofa, wobo to more boy in a sikasem as a and industry for our casa, the and this and this and you one, why, it dra, and from when I want casa one, and the chrome have some other atom of Fred or Pedro by interview, and one or then what to show. I didn't can I budin. And only Azonto, DJ Azonto, no man, I didn't see CR. Oledre. And you know what do fan from Obial friend interview, Obia Paro in a casa. Because of feed all by an embassy for Kojo Bessia Yamana. I'm a for Boshe. But since I will have fun on coffee, Obi heads and Asha one corner. What's Mamma Cana? And Tiboy and one phone to the for one channel in the industry and pet no dorsum. I am obey and a fucking sense and all be lie. And some more Ghanani, Macha Madrin. Mauso one can a ala papi be boom. A mesha my roba, my shoe be. 7 hours to the banam. Bye bye.